Hello, kids. Hello, Dino.
Hi, friends.
Today, Pippo has a special surprise.
Woo!
We are going to draw a very cute character together. Can you guess who is this? Who is this, Pippo? Yes, it's Peppa Pig. Who's like Peppa Pig? I love Peppa Pig. Let's get started, people. Alright, first, kids, get your paper and pencil ready. Ready, people. Let's begin. First, we draw Peppa's nose.
The wheels on the bus.
It's like a small oval on the left side of her face. Then add 2 little dots for Peppa's nostril.
Beep, 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 the horn on the bus.
Now let's draw a pig round shape, but make it a bit longer for Peppa's face. Draw gently, kiss.
The wheels on the bus.
Are you done, Dino? I'm done, people. Next, we'll draw 2 small circles for Peppa's eyes and add 2 tiny dots inside for her pupil. Follow me. Now, let's draw a small curved line for Peppa's mouth. Draw a pig smile.
Who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Peppa is smiling beautifully. That's right. And don't forget to draw Peppa's rosy cheeks. Just add a small circle on the edge of her eyes. Next, we draw 2 little ears on top of Peppa's head.
Know the Muffin Man who lives on.
I've got it, people.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man,
Don't forget to draw a bow on her head like this.
the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Peppa looks so cute, right?
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you
Then draw Peppa's body. She's wearing a lovely dress and has a gift on her hands.
And the Muffin Man, yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
I've got it, people. Great job, Dino. How are you doing, kids? Take your time if you need to. I'm done, people. But what about the gift box and the balloon? You're right, Dino. We can't forget Peppa's gift book and balloon. To draw the gift box, we make a small square under Peppa's hand and add a pretty bow on top.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next, I draw Peppa's hands like this. Follow me.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
Now we draw a pretty bow on top of this gift box. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
And for the balloon, we draw a big circle next to Peppa and add a string connecting the balloon to Peppa's hand.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Add a string like this. Finally, let's draw Peppa's legs. She's standing and holding a gift box.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Won't you sing with me?
Just take your time, Dino. I'll wait for you. Now we are going to color our Peppa Pig drawing. We need red, pink, and yellow. Before we start coloring, don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to our channel to see more fun videos from us.
Goes the weasel. A penny for a spool, a thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
First, Pippo and Dino use light pink to color Peppa's skin. Then they use red to color Peppa's dress and the bow on her head. Next is dark pink. And finally, yellow for the gift box and the balloon.
Goes the weasel. A penny for a spool, a thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
Oh, it seems like we are forgetting something, Dino. What did we forget, people? We forgot to draw the tail for Peppa Pig.
Oh my god!
So what should we do now? Let's ask for help from the magic fairy. Now let's continue coloring.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
Thank you, kids, for drawing with Pippo and Dino today. See you in the next drawing lesson. Don't forget to support us by liking the video and subscribing to the Pippo and Dino channel. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.